No, finally. Hello. Just give me a minute. Where the hell is the enemy? Terrible frame rate. Look at how bad it is. 48. Okay. Still sucks. Look at that. What? What's going on? This is here, but I'm sorry. This is here, but it's not being used by anyone. Here's the look around. That's the right mouse button. Right button. Jesus Christ, super slow. Ay, ay, ay. I really. Jesus Christ. What the hell is that? Ugh. Wait, do I have it installed? I do. Let's see if this is less slow. Yeah. Uh, okay, what I wanted to check is this. The only weird part for me here is that it's constantly doing this. Say it is if it is walking, moving, then we do this. If it's not, do this. So we could check for both situations. Anyway, yeah, it's a possible improvement. The movement. What is this bad boy? It's a float number. So every time you press dash, you increment that with the delta value. What is time to sprint? 0.2. This again, we don't need that. Hitbox. Yep. No need for this bad boy. It's still going to take damage. See. Let me add some enemies here. So I have 2 points, which is very good. Now I have 3 points. What happens if I increase my accuracy, right? I need to capture the button, click it, and ignore it elsewhere. They don't shoot. So I did this to the accuracy, but But I need 10 enemies actually. Jesus Christ. Too much information. Look at this. Yes. This is the agent. How do point light? Camera. No, not the player. I want the enemy. Agent. Let me disable the debugger. What is it here? Here it is. What else? Yeah, I wanted to hide all these things. So when we see it here, it's not that chaos we saw. So now canvas modulate, everything is dark, good. Now it's good to see. So we have 1, 2, 3, we have 10 enemies, perfect. From these 10 enemies, I'm going to increase the accuracy. So if we go to the attribute and I scroll down until accuracies here. So the accuracy is going to be leveled up. So when this happens, I want to see the accuracy value. Alright, so the current accuracy is 0.5. And that's what we have right here. Right? But the accuracy is 0.1. Okay. We don't have a default value for that. We do have 0.5 for the default accuracy, which is good. So the accuracy, as you decrease the accuracy, you become more accurate. This should be called, technically, maybe spread. You have a higher spread, then you have a smaller spread. The shooting frequency, 1 bullet per second. Yep. So you can decrease that, and the increment will be 0.1. So then your frequency is going from 1 to 0.9. So the shooting frequency, the smaller, the better it is. Okay, let's play with the accuracy for now. For the accuracy, what is it that we have? Give me a minute. I don't need many browser tabs. This one is fine. Yep. Yeah, so I'll give it a try on the accuracy. So the accuracy is going to be 0.55. So let's see. So many changes. So every time changes, I want to print the accuracy. Oof. The one bullet shooting is a terrible angle. That's bad. You see? Oof. It's penalizing too much the player. 6 points. 7. Eight. Shit, this is bad. Oh my god. 9. And good. So now if I do this, all right. My accuracy here should be better. Do this. It's not working well. No. Made a change here. What? Shooting frequency set to 0.1. Why is it still shooting very slow? Yeah, it's set to 1, but then in here I go and say it's 0.1. Oh my god. I set up, is the frequency? Here it is. Look at that spread. No. What the fuck is going on? Ah, it's this stamina thing. Oh man, this accuracy like this is terrible. Look at that. Oh my god. Shit. The frame rate is terrible. Oh, so annoying. Shit. Look at this. Boing. No. Ah. There is an issue here. We have added a stamina, but then we have the shooting frequency, but then it doesn't matter if you have a higher shooting frequency if you have a slow stamina. So that's weird. Very bad. Hello, Tiny Devo. I'm doing good. How are you? Yeah, I've been suspended from Twitch. Can you believe that? Twitch suspended my account indefinitely. Yeah. They said I committed a subscription fraud. And I had only 8 subscribers. What kind of fraud is that? I have no idea. Right, if I'm going to commit fraud, and then I use 8, it's just stupid. But I did nothing. I honestly did nothing. And so one day I woke up, I went to Twitch, and it said your account is suspended. And then I went to check my email. And then I saw an email that in the middle of the night I received this email saying my account has been suspended indefinitely for fraud. So while reading the details, it was subscription fraud, but they don't say anything else besides that. And I got in touch with them through their support system. And they said, yeah, we went through your account, and yeah, it's suspended. All right. And before that, in the email they say that I could appeal to that decision. So of course I'm going to. Then I went to a form, and then I filled up the form, and as soon as I sent it, it got rejected, which means that nobody read that. It was rejected right away. Like, unless a person read like a 5 or 8 lines text in less than a second and made a decision and rejected my appeal, but that's not possible. So that's when I got in touch with them, and they said, okay, we see your account, it's suspended, it's going to be suspended. You can appeal again in 6 months. Oh, I don't think game dev streams would be most profitable enough, right? I was really frustrated. And the thing is that now I have to start over. Right? I had a community there, I had people there watching me. Now I'm here by myself, trying to recreate what took me 7 months to create. Now I have to create it again. It's just sad. And I asked them, please tell me what I did. So it's like, I don't know if you have kids, but it's like punishing your son. And then he goes, what I did wrong? Oh, you did something wrong. Okay, but what did I do? Let me learn. No, you did something wrong. You're going to be punished. That really sucks. It does. It's the good thing is that I'm loving developing the game. I'm loving it. But yeah, man, it's like here in Brazil, say like it's a bucket of cold water on you. You know, you're engaged, you're excited, and then like you get a cold shower right away. Yeah, that puts me down. But then I quickly activated a YouTube thing, learned a little bit of the basics. Now I can stream. 0 engagement. I have 2 people watching from time to time. Most of the people just come and go. If they come and go, right? So yeah, it's just sad that I have to start over. It's just bad. But it is what it is. It's a shame. Now I have to wait 6 months to enable again, to be able to appeal again. So then they might activate my account. The game is the thing though, yeah. Streaming is nice now, but it's not really a marketing channel. Exactly, that's what I'm doing. But according to TBD, I should learn how to ask people to subscribe and like the channel to help with spreading the channel, you know. It's not like I don't make money out of it, but it's good to have a community around it. That's really important to me. I love the community idea behind what I'm doing. Yeah, but welcome. Thank you for joining. Just something. Okay, thank you. Yeah, TBD said it, and I said, man, it feels weird to say that. I'm not a YouTuber. Yeah, but we have to do it, man. I think it's dirty to say that, but he said it. I think it's dirty to say that, but it is what it is on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And have you been streaming? No, I can't even log into my account. It's not that I cannot stream. I cannot even log in. I can't open my account again. I would have to create a fake one to do that. To at least watch the people that I was used to watch. Man, it's so bad. And the fact that they don't give me anything. No, I can't. I can't go to the public page. You know, I can do this. So if you try to go to my account, oops, it's going to say that I'm suspended. It's actually unavailable because of a violation of terms of use on Twitch. So I can't try to log in, but I can't log in. So I can see that as logged out. You know, I can still watch it, of course, but... Oh, I'm sorry, I burped. But if I want to log in and follow people and be notified, I have to create a fake account. Like, if I did something wrong, they should at least tell me. Hey, you fucked up here. That's all. No, that's just a shame. They don't give me anything. And that's what infuriates me. Because if I did something wrong, against if I did something wrong, it was 100%. I was 100% unaware of that. So if they tell me, oh, you did this is bad, you're going to be suspended. Oh, I didn't know. Thank you so much. See you in 6 months. I would accept my fate. But just say you're suspended because you did something bad. What? You did something bad. Fuck you. You know, that's not good. That's not fun. I had a community there. I had about 8-10 people watching me every day. Now I have no people watching me because I have to start over. Yeah, I don't know why they do that. Why don't they reveal it? Give me information, please. Just tell me what I did wrong. That's all I need. And I don't know why they cannot do that. And I'm sure it was a mistake. That something happened. Ugh. It's not fake labor, fake points. Maybe they see it as too much info for people who are actually intending to break the rules. Yeah, it can be. That's really bad. You know, when you have something, when you build something, and like if they, I don't know, I'm sure it's something that is 100% automatic, and then they give you the appeal, and then someone's going to check. But by appeal, they didn't even check it. If they watched my channel, they would see it's fuck it. They don't care. That's the truth. They don't care. So if they don't care, I don't care. You know, I really don't. But you see that I do, right? I'm frustrated. Ah. Liquid. And how's your game going? I don't know if I stopped watching where you share your stuff on other channels, but I remember you sharing like a beautiful pixel art. It is the same game, yes? Did you finish the game? The Tiny Devil one, or is it still the one? We're just about to redo my Steam store page assets as I have redesigned the main characters. Oh, lots of work. This is good. Boom. Same game, still walking towards a Steam. Ah, I got it. So let's see if this is still fucked up. Something is off. Why isn't it improving the accuracy? No, I just want the accuracy. The first thing that no, not the first thing. The following thing would be to disable the click when I click this. And by the way, I'm not going to do one by one because I'm not stupid. Let's go 10 by 10. Right? I want to click. There you go. Now to level up the accuracy, it says, there you go. So leveling up. 6, good. 6, 5, good. That's 7. So my accuracy should be. See, the accuracy is not improving. That's strange. accuracy here should be... Why isn't the accuracy improving? Because if I set the accuracy to 1, so what is the accuracy to 1? And this is going to go in a straight line. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, so the accuracy has to be a very small number. If I do this, the spread should be minimal. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the problem. I'm increasing it. I'm adding to this. So if I go 0.9, the spread should be absurd. Yeah. So I'm doing it wrong. So the accuracy here should be decreasing. So I should be removing from it. But it's not. It's 0.5. Then it's going to... So 0.5, 45. Too many clicks, too many clicks. Okay, so the accuracy now is 3, so it should be more accurate. Is it changing? Come on. I'm gonna break it, but it's gonna be worth it. It's not worth it. Oh, I don't think the accuracy is changing. Let's go to the shooting. What is the handle shooting? Ah, it's because the setup shooting is doing this. All right. When we handle the shooting, we need to set this again. There you go. That was it. That's why it's not improving. So now if I keep using it, okay, so my accuracy should be better. Just too freaking high. Let me decrease it more. Let's go, 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 go. More points. Too many clicks, too many clicks, too many clicks. There should be a hold button functionality here. Right. Yeah, I'll do that. I don't want to go crazy. Where is it? The plus button. Press. What are the options that I have for the button press? Attribute, I think. Attribute operator. What are the pressed button down? There you go. It's the same thing. Instead of pressed, it's button down. Now I should be able to hold the button and it will. And lots of points. Oh. Well, it's calling it twice, which is better. But I thought I could press and hold. This is going way faster. So my accuracy is almost 1. Okay, so I should be super accurate now. No. Something is off. See, I add lots of points to the accuracy, but the accuracy does not change. Every time, so the setup shooting is called once. Yeah. Then every time I going to shoot, I go and upgrade this thing here. So every time I shoot, I want to see that value. Why? So there you go. Shooting frequency 1. Ah, it's not frequency. I'm doing the wrong thing. It's accuracy. Oh my god. That's why it's not working, Daniel. Now it should work. Ah. Yeah, I'm not even gonna waste time on this. I did the wrong thing. So leveling up the accuracy. Ba, 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 ba. Let's go there. One more. Okay. There we go. Now the spread is decent. Perfect. It is still spreading a lot actually. No, it is not. Just when it's very far. Okay, so this is working. Ooh. Well, eventually, all of these will also have to be here. Accuracy, bullets. Yeah, so frequency and accuracy will be upgradable, so they must be here. Every time we shoot, we need to grab the current value. Boom, that's it. 8 files did I change? Oh yeah, the fake buttons. Yeah, this can be removed. The fake buttons, I'll leave it there. Yeah, it being 0.5 is not fair. It spreads too much. I don't know, 0.3 maybe? Okay. Let me undo this. Level up. Like you muted for a while recording footage for Taylor. Okay, thank you so much. Good luck with the recording. Wise. All right. So I'm gonna leave these. I need to think of a better way of adding these things, like these fake options. So, oh no. What is the name? How can I say that? Check for accuracy and frequency values while shooting. Those two attributes will be upgraded by the user, and we should check new values every time. Boom. I don't know what that is. So it's just this. So in this case, what do? We are going to decrement. Yeah. Fix accuracy. Update. Accuracy should decrease on each upgrade. The following file has unsaved changes. Okay. Is it saved now? There you go. Okay, what else did I touch? Layer attributes. No, wait. The life, we can let it be as it was. The accuracy. I don't know. But so it has to go down. What is accuracy 0.3? What, how much is this spread? It's very bad. If I do 0.1, did I save? Why the hell isn't it? Shooting accuracy. All right. Well, let's see. What's the value? Now it's 0.1. Shit. See? Hello, TBD. Good morning to you as well. How are you doing? Now it's accurate. Good. So if we go 0.3, how bad is that? I'm doing great, thank you. I was just complaining to Tiny Devil about my Twitch suspension. What the hell isn't it? Oh man, I always go to the wrong place. Ah. Okay, so 0.1 frequent accuracy is very good. The accuracy is 0.3. Wish YouTube would invest more in this streaming platform and make it a more valuable alternative. Yeah. Yeah, for now Twitch is the only one. Yes, you're correct. I remember. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm getting the hang of that. There is a live option on YouTube when you search for. But I don't know what happened, if I did something wrong. But when I searched for that, I had like 6 channels online doing live things, you know. And I still don't have much. Look at this. This is all the live options that I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 13, 14. Look at this. Synthwave radio. This is the Pirate Software Cakes, which I follow. So that's good. But radio satisfaction. Oh, it is a game. Game. Synth music. I don't know what that is. Warzone. I don't know what that is. This probably Turkish. And this, which I have no idea what's going on. But yeah, it's strange. It's a strange place. 2 of them are parts of. Yes. It's his channel and the Ferret channel. So it's still a strange place. So the player attributes, we can go with 2. It was 40 minutes ago when I started looking. The stream, by the way. Ah, okay. All right. I would be angry. Okay, hide all enemy areas. But this is not necessary anymore. Yeah. I added them because I had to pick up the experience, but now I can do that myself from the add button. Yeah, I asked it for Tiny Dev and he indeed liked and subscribed. So yeah, I'm gonna use TBD's technique. Like and subscribe. I like my own channel as well, to help with the numbers. See, I like myself. Nathan James, welcome in. How are you? I hope everything is doing great. Let me now do this. So when I click this button, I'm doing great, thank you. That's important, like I said. It's coding Jen from Twitch. Ah, okay. Oh, you know us. Yeah, Nathan, I've been suspended. Hey, what a beautiful place. Now YouTube is my new thing. And I was complaining to Terry and to Tiny, man, I have to start over. I was building something on Twitch. But now I have to start again. 7 months of community building. On Twitch at least went down. But I still have folks on Discord, and I still have friends like TBD and Tiny who are helping a lot. But the main thing is the game. That's why I'm still doing it. Yeah. The Discord is the way to go. Okay, I think this is what I need. Let's see how these work. So we stop the controller, receive mouse movement input events and mouse button input events is if clicked on through GUI input. And the controller receive the mouse enter the mouse exit signals. The events are automatically marked as handled and do not propagate further to other controllers. Of course they are, because when I click plus, I still shoot in blocking signals and other controls. Ow! We consider these allow signals to fall under the controls. This control will not receive mouse movement input events and mouse button input event is clicked on. Well, if it is marked as a stop, what does it propagate? These events are automatically marked as handled, and they will not propagate further to other controls. This also results in blocking signals in other controls. So maybe the difference is this. This controller receives mouse movement input events and mouse button input events if clicked on through GUI input. And the controller receives the mouse enter them. Okay, but this GUI control is a visual method to be implemented by the user. Okay. Use this method to process and accept inputs on UI. Oh, so maybe I can just do this. Accept event. So I don't need to implement that function. Oh shit. There's a conflict. No. Okay, let's watch me fixing conflicts. So the new thing is this. Previous change, next change. Need reload and return true. What do I do? This is good. Oh, this is what's conflicting, okay. What happened here? Oh, you had a shot success. Why? Sinisperi, if you're watching here, I just pushed a lot of changes. So what was I going to check? It was the upgrader. There we go. Okay, so when I click the button, I have to type the, oops, not this, it's accept event. Yes. So now I do this, I accept the event, and in theory, I should not be shooting. No. You folks cannot hear it, but when I click the button, I shoot a bullet. See the stamina at the top going down? Yeah, and now I'm not leveling up. So marks as input if in hand, also accepted input, it stops propagating. Even to nodes listening to this. No, this does not affect the methods in input. Wait. On plus press, this is the one. I accept the event. Nope. Could it be like this? I accept after I do this? No. I don't know how this works. Fuck, the buttons are not working. Oh, it's because I have no points. Oh. Okay. So they stop. It is set to stop. When enabled, the scroll event processed by you will be passed. No, there is no need for that. That's a challenge. So when I click this button, it stops. Oh, wait. But what about the parents? Do they stop it? Oh, see, pass. So maybe the parent has to stop it. I don't know. Stop. Let's see if it changes anything. So I removed, yeah, the accept event has been removed. So it's still passing through. So do not propagate anything. Stop. Okay. Let's see if it changes anything. Still clicking, it's still going. Maybe the level up scene. Does it have a click event input? No. So the panel does. Oh fuck, it's already on stop. Stop. The button like points is already on stop. Yep. But it's not working. See, I'm still shooting when I click the button. How do I stop it from going away? It said something about, let's undo these. Let them be what they are. And the same here. It's already on stop. So if it propagates, I think it goes up the tree until someone says, stop it. But anyway, in here, the documentation tells me that it has to be clicked through this. So if I copy this, just as an experiment. I've been clicked. Event isn't used. Yeah. Let's see. Continue event. Button name. Button index. There you go. Just to see when it happens. Input mouse, event mouse motion. What? Invalid access. What the hell is this? Oh, when I move, look at that. When I click, it doesn't do anything. Only when I move. That's not what I want. Well, let's do as the documentation is telling us to do. Discard. Nothing is happening. So input event represents the mouse button being pressed or released. Yeah. Oh. Okay, wait a second. When I click anywhere, but when I click the button, it doesn't capture that. Oh, because... Oh, wait a second. I'm learning. Level up scene. Because the button has this stop here. So if I go pass, then I click the button. No. That's weird. The GUI input is capturing only when I click. Anywhere else besides the buttons, see? Mouse button pressed. But when I click the button itself, it doesn't capture anything. Why? How does this work? Emit when the button is toggled or pressed. This is on button down. If action mode is action mode button press. If you need to know the button's pressed this state and toggle mode is active, use toggle instead. No. How do I stop the propagation of this? Let me use the powerful Google search of Gemini. So I have this GD script. Button pressed. Copy this. The on plus press function. Have is that the shooting action is the left mouse button. When I click the plus button on the scene, triggers the button pressed, but it also shoots. Let's see what the search will return. There's a common issue in Godot when dealing with mouse clicks and UI elements. It happens because the mouse click event propagates through the UI to the underlying scene. Here's how to fix and some best practices to avoid these in future. Within your own plus press, except event at the end. To tell Godot that the button has consumed. But I did that. And it didn't help. So I added just to the click here. Just to shooting. The mouse view in Godot, select your plus button node. Attribute upgrader, the plus button node. On the mouse view to set it to stop. It's already set to stop. Well, I actually changed it. No, it's there. For UI elements, consider using signals like Q in input instead of pressed. This is specifically designed for UI interactions and usually handles. But do I have this? I don't have it. Oh, I do. For actions like shooting, it's generally better to use Godot's input action system. This allows you to define actions like shoot and map them to different inputs. That's what I did. So instead of using the pressed, which works, but then it propagates, I should be using the GUI thing, as we saw here. So I should use the GUI input, event input, blah, blah, blah. So back to the code. It's going to be GUI input, then the GUI input. So this is going to be the function, but then it receives an event, input event. There we go. Do I care about the input? I do not. So the input here is unnecessary. Let's play and see. Still shooting. Yeah, I need to identify the input there. But even GUI input emitted when the node received an input event. So I need to check the event here, that's for sure. So I need to check if it's an event, if event dot, what can it be? Is pressed. And now I need to check it's the right mouse button click. So it's button left. Thank you. So I don't like this condition now, but let's do it this way for testing purposes. Button left, no. Ooh. Mouse button. Mouse button left. It's still shooting. That's so weird. Because I'm doing this and then I go event, accept event. We can accept it. Do we have like an event? Oops. Accumulate, no. Call deferred, change, connect, disconnect, free, get, may, generate, blah, 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 blah. Return true if this input event is pressed, not relevant for events of type. Mouse motion, screen drawing, yeah. The word ghosting is pressed may return false, even if one of the actions keys is pressed. Oh, that's correct. What? Expect at least one given action string name. Oh, okay. So just is pressed is enough. Now, why isn't it consuming the event? That's the question. So when I press the plus button, so when this button has the GUI input, blah, 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 it's just for this. It is still shooting. You folks can't hear it, but I can hear the shooting. Why? The accept event is doing nothing. Google again. It is as a stop, yeah. Yeah. Make sure there is no other code in your scene or player script that might be capturing the mouse click event and triggering the shooting action. Oh, but there is. I don't think the position of this here, it's relevant. It won't work the same way. See, it's still shooting. Ugh. So the problem is apparently with the layer script, how we're dealing the shooting. If you see any events related to mouse buttons assigned to the shoot action, that's the cause of the conflict. Either remove the conflicting mouse button event from shoot action, enter different key now. Check for overlaps, no. No, it's not a dead zone thing. Oh. Ooh. Maybe the problem is with the input action, that I should not be handling it this way. Let's try this way. Func input, there you go. Do I already have an input here? So what we want to do is, if event is event input, oh my god, event mouse button. Now we need to check again if event dot button index equals mouse button left, then we're going to shoot. Oh no, there we go. Let's see if this helps. Because now I'm not using the action here, I'm using the input check. Let's see if this makes any difference. If I shoot, it's still shooting, good. If I do this, still shooting, good. But if I do this, ah shit, it's still shooting. Why? It's not helping at all. there's one thing that's hacky as hell, apparently. No, event doesn't have that. Yeah. This is checking if the mouse button is not clicking on a UI element. But this is super hacky. I don't like it. Come on, why doesn't it work? It is set to... What is the... Stop. If I do these, is it changing? Yes. Ignore. What will it do? It's ignoring the click. Good. If I do pass... Yeah. I need to read more about this. This is not helping. And this is not helping. Except event. It's not doing anything. Marks an input event as handled. Once you accept an input event, it stops propagating, even to nodes listening to unhandled input or unhandled key input. Methods in input, only the way events are propagated. No. This is not here. This is supposed to be on the player. It's the same signature. Oh. It's working. It has to be on the unhandled input. Line 33 of this bad boy. Look at that, it's not shooting. Oh no, but now it's handling my C key. Invalid access to property or key button index on base object input key event. So in here I don't think I need all this. Yep. So this can go back to normal, I guess. Because I am consuming the event. What's the difference here, Mr. Sir? undo everything. Yep. Good. When I press the plus button, so it doesn't matter, I'm going to accept the event. I'm still shooting. Aha! Yes. Awesome. So the fix was to, instead of using actions in here, we have to handle it this way. So now, when you consume the event, this won't handle anything because there is nothing to handle. All right. Wait. What is the fake points? Updated. When plus expressed. And those stop using good actions and shooting. Player shooting. This allows, this fixes the player shooting while leveling up. All right, there we go. Problem solved. One other thing that I have to do is that we're not allowing the player to decrease the experience. As soon as you used it, it's gone. It's gone for good. Right. I believe everything should still be working. But if I click inside, it stops. Perfect. Move. This button. Attribute. Upgrader. Boims. There we go. Yep. This is good for today. I have to get ready for work. Need to eat something. Thank you all who joined. Really appreciate it. DBD, Nathan, Tiny Devil, thank you for the conversation. Thank you for joining. I appreciate your time and support. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll be here tomorrow. Bye-bye.